Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, thank you so much for the opportunity to speak in front of you today. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Olivia Septiani and I'm from 12th Science 1. And here, I will explain about giving and asking suggestion. What does suggest mean? Suggest means to give a suggestion that the introduce or propose an idea or finding for someone's consideration. Suggestion can be in form of solution, idea, planning, or advice. Expression of giving suggestion or make suggestion. 1. Let's plus verb 1. 2. Why don't you plus verb 1. For example, why don't you go to cinema? 3. You could plus verb 1. Example, you could go home earlier. 4. How about plus verb ing? For example, how about going to cinema? 5. What about plus something or someone? For example, what about cinema? How do you ask for a suggestion? 1. Should I do? 2. Do you have any advice or suggestion? 3. What your advice or suggestion? 4. What do you suggestion? 5. If you were me, what would you do? 6. Can you give me any advice or suggestion? 7. I need your advice or suggestion. And we get suggestion, recommendation, or advice. Of course, there are times when we want to accept or reject the advice for various reasons. What expression can we use? Accepting advice. Example 1. Thank you for advice or suggestion. 2. That's a good suggestion. 3. Oh, I will do that, thank you. 4. You're right. 5. Okay, I will try. And now for rejecting advice. 1. I don't think that's a good idea. 2. I can't do that. 3. Do you have any other suggestion or advice? 4. I am not sure about that. Okay, that's all I say about this material. I am sorry and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.